And it's cold and wet, snowy, rainy outside. But now's the time to try out my Briggs and Stratton 1024 snowblower. So let's see how well it does in the wet snow. Alright, that went pretty well. Really, really heavy snow. I mean, it's literally raining right now. It's only about 3 inches of snow, but it's very, very wet. But it seemed to work pretty good on my gravel slash mud slash dirt slash grass part of my driveway here. I figured out after a while that I had to kind of take half swipes with the passes. Did the driveway pretty well. Pretty pleased with it. Alright, I'll put the link to the original video down below, and I'm going inside to get warm. Okay, my take on that Briggs and Stratton 1024 snow thrower, which I picked up at Menards. It was the cheapest two-stage snow thrower that they had. I'm pleased with it. I don't have a lot to do out there. It works pretty well. The first time I used it, it was in a lot lighter snow, and it worked fantastic. This was very, very heavy, wet snow, and I kind of had to take half passes on everything. I couldn't plow through it because it was having a hard time discharging it. So it's not a powerhouse, but if you want a cheap two-stage snow thrower for just the ease of it going on its own, it's not one of those little ones that you have to push through the snow. I'm happy with it, and I'm glad I picked it up. So my review would be, 3 out of 5 stars. They definitely make bigger, badder ones out there, but I didn't need that, so I'm not reviewing that. So hope this quick review helped you. If it did, if you could like this video, comment on it down below, and if you would subscribe to the channel, you get more updates every time that I do a review or I make something out here in the shop. Thanks for watching.